Hi everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today I'll be going through how to import our transactions into Agrimaster. Let's jump right in. So before we begin, it's important that you've either correctly set up your internet banking or downloaded a CSV file containing a month's transactions from your bank's online banking site and put this into the NetBank folder. So once you've done this, we can jump straight into Agrimaster and we can begin the process. So once we're in Agrimaster, we'll click on Cashbook, we'll go to Reconciliation, and then we'll select the correct bank account. Here I've only got the one, so I'll click that, and then reconcile this account. On this screen, you'll notice we've got a mouse and a dollar sign in the top left-hand side, so we want to click that. And now we'll get all the files that we can download. I've only got the one, so I'll click ANZ CSV. Now I'll click the green tick. Now this message is going to ask if I want to continue the import, and it'll tell me when the CSV file was downloaded. So I'll just click yes. And now you just follow the green arrows. So we'll select the debits to export to the cash book. I'll click select all, and then green tick. Now the credits to export to the cash book. Again, we'll select all, green tick, and then I'll just export. So at this point, I'll just have to go through and code my transactions. But if I click the cross here, I'll see that all my transactions have come through for the month. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.